Hi, this is Rob with Paramount Construction. If you're in the market for a brand new home in downtown McLean, you are invited to stop by tomorrow at 6802 Dillon Avenue in McLean. I'll be on hand from 11:45 to 1:30. We can tour the lot. I'll show you lots of home plans. Let me show you where this is located right now, and I'll show you a couple plans we've laid out on that lot already. Here is 6802 Dillon Avenue. You can see it is in downtown McLean. McLean High School is right here. Kent Gardens Elementary School is over here. Downtown, all the retail is right here. The Giant Total Wine is right here. And let me show you a plan we've laid out for someone on that lot. And we're happy to customize this plan for you or create one out of thin air. But this, you come in the front right here. We have a bedroom on the first floor. We have an optional elevator. This opens up to a family kitchen and dining room in the back. We have an office back here, and then a two-car garage or art studio. This is a mud room. But if you stop by tomorrow from 11:45 to 1:30, I will show you lots of other plans and bring your ideas. We can brainstorm what you want. We can make things large, small, first floor bedrooms, two-car garage, three-car garage. We could put a swimming pool on this lot. So 6802 Dillon Avenue. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.